this video, I'm going to show you a business idea that you can start now regardless of how much you own, and it will just work. Bear in mind that this business is one of those that you need to be in it, or you need to have some supervision over it, or use a lot. Selling you one single ticket that you can just copy and paste and boom, you have money. No, it's a very scalable business which maybe made up to 10 million from this business. Average that people make in a month is 300,000 naira, and the least, even if you are just worse at it, the least you can make in a month is 50 to 30,000 naira. So it would be nice if you click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel in the way of just saying thank you and just buying my dreams. And bear in mind that the subscribe button is free of charge. My uncle was asking me the other day if he's supposed to subscribe. It's either 100 naira or 200 naira. It's free of charge. Just click the like button and click the subscribe button. Thank you. The business we talk about, there's a lot of competition in it, but yet there's enough to go around. Be a hint. Yes. If you know about this business already, or you had a clue, then this is it. Money Point. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to start a POS business. The tips on how to scale your business, because like I mentioned, there's a lot of competition in it. The threats and cons that face this business, and the places in which you should make this business. My brother works in this company, Money Point, and he has told me several stories of people who make millions when they get a POS business. Nigeria has a very huge population, and the banking sector is coming alive. There's a lot of financial companies, fintech companies that want to fight and rival the banks. Money is an essential part of society right now. Everybody needs money. It means that everybody should have a bank account, and most times you want to get to the bank to get money, and then you can't because the line is too much. Money is an essential commodity in any society. Talk more of Nigeria and Africa as a whole. The financial sector is alive and it's buzzing. Everybody needs money, so everybody has either an online bank or traditional bank. I made a video recently talking about online banks versus traditional banks, and to be linked in the description. What I want to share to you guys is that for any reason or the other, people need to get money and they need it ASAP. This was actually why ATMs were implemented in Nigeria. So they're with their cards and they want to get money, and the ATM is filled with many people. That's where POS agents come. And you also have to bear in mind that there has been a crave for online banks recently. I also made a video comparing online banks to each other. And online banks, the only way to their bank account is their ATM cards. That's why many online banks give their ATM cards for free of charge. So it means that there are people coming from traditional banks or online banks who want to get money ASAP, especially for those on the online bank side, which are willing to get even 1,000, 200,000, name it, from ATM machines, which means there's a lot of traffic at the ATM machines. The only way they can turn to is POS agents. That's where you come in. There's a video I found on YouTube where I scripted this video where we are comparing OPay to Money Points. It will also be linked in the description. Actually, just doing this because my brother works there, but he does, and it's the best. Go watch it and hear for yourself. I'll be telling you how to start a POS business, how to scale it, how to advertise yourself, the places you should post, and the threats and weaknesses of this POS business. Because in this video, what I want is transparency. I wouldn't want to pitch something to you that you won't be able to do in the long run, because you'll be hurting my reputation. I also like it if you can subscribe to my channel and click the like button, please.